Right. So today we will talk about uh, reference documents. No? The topic is reference documents. Reference document means write down everybody, note down this. Using one document as a reference to post another document. Why? To post transactions. Yeah. Okay. Reference documents help us to post transactions faster and easier. They save time and effort. They save time and effort associated with transaction post. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Note down this. Now we are already able to post the transactions in FD50. We are able to post. But now the thing is, I want to post faster. I want to make it easier for. I want to post 100 transactions per minute. Understand? I want to make it faster. I want to make it easier. That's why we have a reference document concept. Okay. Types of reference doc types. First one. First one is account assignment template. Second one is we have samples. Third one is we have something called recurring documents. Okay. Yeah. So one by one we will discuss. One by one we will discuss. Okay. Templates. Templates we are templates. First we will start with the samples. Okay, let me start with the samples first. Samples. See, suppose there are some entries like I'm posting miscellaneous entry, which I post many times in a day. Right? Suppose I post 50 times in a day, every day. Correct? Many times in a day. Suppose this entry is like miscellaneous expense account debit, bank account credit. Okay, this entry I post many times in a day. 50 times I post. So every time I am going to FP50, I am giving miscellaneous account, debit, amount, bank account credit, amount, and then post. After 5 minutes, again go to FP50, again give the accounts amount. After 5 minutes, again go, again give the accounts, enter amount, and then is it clear?
Mhm.
So now I'm thinking, now what a waste of time. So many times in a day, same entry, many times. So rather, what I will do, rather, I will create this as a sample. Suppose I post 500 every time. So what I will do for sample, there is something called, we will define a number range for sample documents. Okay, that is X2 series. We have 1001 to some number I will give 1500. where I will define, no, OBS 7. You remember OBS 7, step 10, where we given the number range for the transactions, right?
Yes, sir.
That. So there I will give the number range for sample document. Next. So here for this document, I will give the number. What number I will get? 1001 sample I will. Okay. To create a sample, the T code is F-01. So I will create a sample like this. Okay. To create a sample, the T code is F-0. Okay. Now, so now same way, if I have one more transaction which I post many times in a day, suppose something like traveling is there. Okay, that also I post many times in a day. Then what I do? Traveling, traveling expense, traveling expense account debit, say 1000 to bank account again, credit how much? 1000. So this entry also I post many times in a day. Yeah, 50 times, 100 times I post. So every time I am going to FB50, giving debit account number, debit amount, and posting. Again, after 5 minutes, again giving all the details. So what I am doing, this one also I am creating it as a sample. So what is the sample number? I will get 1000 sample. So the number will come from here. So how many samples I created now? Samples I created. Correct. So now what I can do now? So from now onwards, I can post using a sample. Okay, no doubt. To post using a sample, the T code is FBR2. FBR. No, to create a sample, it is F-01. To post using a sample is F. Not. Okay. So what it is now? So now I don't have to go to FB50 every time. Instead, I can go to FBR to give the numbers and I can post. Correct? I will show you. So first, I don't have this account, no miscellaneous account. Is it there? Did I create the miscellaneous account? No, no.
No, sir.
Traveling account also I did not. So I will create. Let me go. So I will go to what is the T code? FS to create an account.
FS double
FS 00. Okay, so now what I can do? I can go to my company code. Now, what is my company code? ZAPL, na? PL. Okay, so let me go now. So I want to create miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. What should I do? So I can create, na? That is one option I have. I can create. Second option I have is I can copy. You can copy one account and create another account also. Is that clear? So you can copy. What you can do, you can select like this, rent, copy, and give another number. Any number you can give, no? Need not be sequence also. 80 number I am giving. Okay. So what is the number? What is the thing now? This is a miscellaneous, MIS, miscellaneous. Okay. Miscellaneous expense, no? Okay, no done. So this is all the other things will be same, guys. All the other things will be same. Okay. Good. So I'm copying one account, creating another account. Okay. No done. You can copy and create also. Right, save this. I am creating one more account. No, that is miscellaneous account I have created. One more account I want to create. What is the traveling? No? Okay, traveling how I can create? No, I can copy and create also, right? So what I will do now, I will select, I can select this also, copy and give some other number like 79. So this will be my traveling expense. Okay. Traveling expense GL account. Okay. Okay. Next, now you tell me other things are same, na? All the other things are same. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Now save this. So I created, na? Miscellaneous I created, traveling I create. Now, to create a sample, first I need to give the number range, na? So what is the T code? OBA 7. So OBA 7, remember we went to essay document. You know this, na? Essay document, you know, guys? Number range information, company code, ZAPL. Na? We did, na? Remember? Yeah.
Yes.
Right? Correct. Now we have given intervals. We have given like this documents. Na? Remember? Yes. So same way, now I am going to X2. What is X2? Sample docs. Right. So previously we went to essay. Na? Now I am going to X2, sample doc. So double click on X2. Number range information. What is the company code? ZAPL, na? Yeah, change intervals. Here I will give na insert interval. Number I am giving. What is the number? X. So yeah, give number. Directly you give X2. Year which year? 2024. From number I am giving 1001 to 1500. So how many samples I can create here? How many samples I can create? 50. 50. Okay, good. So that is what it is. That is the number range we have created. Next. Now what I will do? I will here what I will do? I will to create a sample. I will create a number range is ready now. Now I will create the sample. Okay. Okay. Let me go now. Go to slash n f-01 sample. Correct. So now I'm creating a sample. Document type will be essay document. No? Essay. So when I post essay document is posted. No? Yeah. So what is this one? 40. 40 means what? Debit. No, debit. Debit which account? Which GL? Miscellaneous. No? Yeah, miscellaneous. Debit miscellaneous. Press enter. Generally, how much I post miscellaneous entry? 500.
Yeah.
Okay. Two. To which account? 50. Credit.
Bank.
Credit which account?
Bank.
Bank account. Bank what number? 2 lakh number. No? Got it. Press enter and star here. No? Or you can enter 500 also. So debit the miscellaneous, credit the
Bank account.
bank. Okay. Yeah. So I'm creating this entry as a sample. See, I'm creating as a sample. I'm not posting the entry. This amount is not actually going out. No? It is not a transaction. I'm only creating as a sample. No? Correct. So if I save now, you see, I will get one document number. Document 1001 was stored. Means what? This is a template. This is a sample that is created. It is not a transaction. Actually, this 500 rupees has not gone out of my bank account. Is it a transaction? No, I only created as a sample. Is it clear? That's why it is stored, not posted. So if you go to my bank account, no? If you go to my bank account FS10N, if you go to my bank account, Today it is not posted. No? Today any entries are posted. You see, no? Just 1
Hmm.
minute. If you go to FB03
Three. Spell document type.
document list, is give 129999. And if I give fiscal year, and if I give posting date as a today, today 3rd, any entries are posted today?
No.
Not posted.
Oh.
This is only sample that is created. Understand the point, correct? Yeah. So it is there for future use. Okay. So now, same way I can create one more sample also. Okay. What is the T code to create the sample?
F5
Dash
01.
01. Okay. So I'm creating one more sample. Document type will be essay. Okay. What is the next sample now? 40. Which account I should debit now?
Yes.
Travel expenses now.
Traveling expense, no? So traveling, what is the number? 79. Okay, now press enter. What is the traveling amount I said here? 1000. No problem. 1000 we will give. 1000. Then what I should give here?
50.
50 which account?
Bank account.
Bank. Press enter and then star na here. So now this is the debit the traveling, credit the bank. Na?
Bank.
So if I save now, what number will get?
1002.
1002 is posted or stored?
Stored.
Clear? So I have two samples I have to use. No? Okay. See, my life is becoming very easy now. I don't have to go to every time go to FB50 post. No? Not required. Okay. To post using a sample, the T code is FBR2. Right. So what is my sample document number? I want to post miscellaneous. What number I should give? 1001. No? Right. Post using reference. What is my reference now? Sample number 1001. No? You see now. Enter post. Over. Transaction already posted. See this? This is a proper transaction. Got it? But I posted using FB50 or using reference?
Using reference.
You see, I can see proper as if I posted in FB50. I can see that. Is it clear?
Sir.
So now I can post so fast. Suppose if I want to post traveling, what I do? I will go to FBR2. Right? What reference I should give here? 1002.
Two.
Correct? Enter, post, finish. See? This is faster or FB50 shall we go?
This is faster.
Faster. So every time I can do now, no? Every 5 minutes I can do this. Is it clear? Okay. Now suppose if there is a amount change is there. Now miscellaneous is there. I want to post 600. That is also possible. You can make the change in the amount also. Okay, what I will do? Suppose miscellaneous, I want to post 600. What I do? 1001. And then what I do? Do not propose amounts. Okay? Yeah. Tick this. Tick this. Do not. So I'm saying all the other details you pick up from the, all the other details you pick up except amounts. Okay? Press enter. So how much is the amount now? 600. Correct? Only amounts it will ask now. Enter star. Right? Enter post. Post. Is it clear? So you can, so now you see it is posted how much now? It has posted 6. Clear everybody? So now suppose if I want to post a traveling 1500. If I want to post a traveling 1500, what should I do?
We are
Huh?
two.
FB?
Document R2.
FBR2.
FBR2. Okay, go there then.
Document number 1002.
002.
1002.
Two.
Okay, then
Do not propose.
Select that will be proposal.
Not
do not
proposal.
propose amounts, no? Yeah,
Yes,
press enter, then enter. How much amount? 1500, no? Okay, then enter and pen star. Correct? Yeah. So how much we are posting now? 1500. Post. So easy. Is it clear? So FB50 going every 5 minutes is better, or doing using sample is better? So otherwise, if the samples are not there, every time you go to FB50, give the account number, date, debit, credit, amount. Every time you have to give, no? Amounts, if it is same, it is same. If it is different, different. No problem. Anything is. Okay.
You need to remember those numbers now, sir.
Of course, you need. See, this is the regularly used means daily 50 times, 100 times I'm using. Obviously, I will remember. No? I will not create 100 samples. No? What do you think? Will I create 1000 samples? Daily used transactions, about 20, 30, I will have. I remember naturally. That is user side. He has to remember, he has to put it on his desk, do something about it. See, he has two choices. He can go every time, go to FB50, give all the details every time. Or samples is there. So sample, if he is if he is doing it every time, naturally he will remember. Or he'll put
Yes,
it
sir.
on the desk. No? Best, no problem. Correct?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So that's why
Uh,
we
the-
created. Yes.
The validity of the sample is for only one day, or
No,
the
no,
next day.
long term, long term. You can use after 1 week, after 1 month, after 6 months.
Okay, so we don't need to create one or the other day.
No, no, no. You
Yes.
create once, you can use it every day.
So next
Long-term
fiscal
use.
year also we can use it, sir.
Next fiscal year, number range you have to create, then you can use.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So we are giving the number range year wise. No?
Okay.
If
Okay.
you
Okay.
carry
Yeah.
forward the number range, you can use. Okay. So everybody understood the samples? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So using samples, what is the advantage of samples?
Save time.
See.
Will saves time and effort. No? We can post faster, we can post easily. It will save time and effort, right? It will save time and effort. It's good.
So, sir, we have to create a sample for each account or each vendor or whatever the uniqueness is there.
Each transaction you are posting many times in a day, whatever transaction you are posting, transaction wise. Okay. So whatever transactions you are posting many times in a day, you can create a sample for them. So repetitive transactions,
Okay.
you create a sample. Okay. Now,
Sir,
yes, tell.
yesterday I missed the class, sir. Could you please explain yesterday's class once?
Yesterday, we see it was just general theory we discussed. Okay. General. So account creation only we did, no? Nothing much we did actually. Yeah. We created few more accounts, transactions we posted, that's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, guys. So now, okay, now. So what I was saying is, okay, now next option is there. Now, out of 3 references, what are the 3 references we have? Samples, templates, and recurring, no? Okay, samples I already completed, right? Just now. Yeah, now I will talk about templates. Okay, let's talk about. templates. Templates are for short-term use. Short-term use means 1 day, 2 day. Samples on the other hand,
And long term use.
long-term use. Long. Samples we use for long term use. This one, it is for long term. You create it and you can use it year long. But this one, this template is for short term use. Suppose I have a requirement for 1 or 2 days. Only 1 or 2 days my requirement is. Correct? 1 or 2 days my requirement is there. So now I don't want to create a sample and keep it on the system, na? Unnecessarily load. Correct? So that's why I want to create a template and use it for 1 or 2 days. And then remove it, delete it. A good example is like we are paying the bonus, we are posting bonus entries. We know na bonus, companies pay bonus, right? So we are posting bonus entries. So now I am posting the entry like this for the bonus. Say like this, na? Something like wages account is debited, bank account is credited, something like this. I am posting. This is a bonus entry. Okay. Now I am paying the bonus for my employee 1, employee number 1. Employee 1. First time. But when I am posting this entry, I know there are another 2000 employees are there. Oh, for them also I have to post a similar entry. Correct? So now I am thinking, now I need to post same entry, similar entry for 2000 people. Correct? And then I cannot create it as a sample also. Why? Because
It's not
bonus we don't post every day, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct? The bonus is something that any company paying every day.
It is
Any company is there, guys? Any company paying bonus every day? No, right? If it is there, let me know. No, I will join there. Correct. Got it. So this is if I create as a sample, then I will use no next year. No, I will need no again. This whole year, what is the point? Why should I put it on the system? That's why I need something temporarily to post to 2000 people. After that, I want to delete it. So for this, I will create as a template. Correct? So I will create a bonus template. Bonus template I will create. Use it to post to. Use it to post to all employees, no 2000 employees. Yeah. Then after I complete the entry, what I will do? Delete it. That is the concept. I don't want to create it and load it on the system, no, like a sample. Not required. Correct? So we create it, we use it, we delete it. Correct? So all we will do in only one step, guys. Actually, template is very, very simple. So we create it, we use it, we create, use and delete. Use and delete it in all in one T code, FB files. Okay. Right. Everything we do in FB files. So go to FB50. Right. I will show you. So now imagine my company code. My company code is what? ZAPL, no? Yeah.
Yes.
ZAPL. Zoho Auto. Yeah. Now. So now imagine I am posting the bonus entry. Okay. I'll give the date, today's date. Right. So my reference is employee 1 bonus. I type like employee 1 bonus. Now this is the entry. Now wages account is 4 lakh 1, 4 lakh 1 debit. Now my employee 1 bonus is 25,000 to bank account. Credit na and put star na here. Star. The employee 1 bonus I am posting. But when I am posting this, I know that the same entry I have to post to 2,000 people. Correct. So what I will do before I post this, I go to edit, account assignment template, save as account assignment template. Note down this. Again, I will show. So go to edit, account assignment template, save as account assignment template. No. Okay, right. So I will save it as save account assignment template. So it will ask the template name. What is the name? I am
Bonus
giving the
template.
name something like ZAPL bonus. Any name I can give. Okay, any name, some temporary name. Save it. So now when I save, what will happen here? You know the tree of it will have a folder. In the tree on, we have account assignment folder is there. So in that it will save as a template. Here. So it will be saved as a template. Good. So what I will do? I will complete my employee 1 entry. I will complete post. I complete. Now employee number 2, what I will do? Employee number 2, what I will do? I will not go to again enter all these details. Okay, what I will do? Beyond, I will go to account assignment template. Come down here. Open this. You see this? Details have come. Yes. I'll give the date. I'll give the reference name, employee number 2 bonus. I will type here. And then if the amount is different, I will change the amount also. You see this? Only corrections I do. Okay, then I will post. You understand? Post the second employee. Third employee, what I do? Again, I will go here. Template, pick the template. Pick the template. Yeah, pick the template. Right? Give the date. Give the reference, employee number, 3 reference, whatever. Then if the amount is same, no need to change also. Post. So I can use this template continuously now. You understand the point? Right. So I will use the template to post the entries to all the people. Is that clear? So once my 2000 entries are complete, yeah, once my 2000 entries are completed, what I will do? I will go to edit, account assignment template. Then what I do?
Delete the account assignment.
Okay, note down this. So I will, my job is over, na, completed. I will not keep it till next year. Na. So what I do? Delete the template. So account assignment template. What is the template? This is the template. I'll give the template. Continue. Continue. So it will ask, do you really want to delete the template selected? Okay, yes or no? If I say yes, what will happen to this?
Automatically delete
It
it.
will get removed. Yeah, you see. It's gone. So I created it. I used it. I deleted. All in which T code? Is it clear? So that is the template. What? So what is the difference between sample and template?
Sample is some term, long term, and template used for short term.
Short. So samples we create it, we keep it on the system. It will be there. Number range is there. Systematically we create because we are using for long term. Templates temporary 1 or 2 days. So any name you can create. No need
So-
to use a number.
The template, can we use it monthly recurring something? Suppose monthly entries, we can keep it the template and use it every month, 1 time or 2 times.
See, monthly one more solution is there. For your question, the answer is third.
Recurring documents.
Okay. Yeah, there is a better option for monthly
recurring
entries. Okay, so till now we discussed the samples. We discussed template.
Account assignment.
So the now third topic is the recurring. Okay, this we will use it for periodic entries. Okay. Okay, let's start. So templates and samples, you are clear, guys, everybody? Correct. What is the use of them?
Samples can be used for long-term use. Account assignment templates can be used for short-term use.
Yeah.
And sir, one more doubt. Instead of in comparing the number of steps wise, accounting assignment templates has more steps, right? Compared to samples.
No, there is only one screen, FB50. That's
screen wise one. Okay.
you don't need to give the number range. You
No.
don't need to go to create the sample document. Nothing. No?
Yes, yes.
Directly you can go to FB50, post the entry, save it as a template, continue, finish.
Okay.
All in one T code, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Okay,
can we
next.
click all the created samples at one place just for the reference? All the created samples can we check at one place?
One place, okay. So now if you want to, okay. Suppose now you understand now template is there. Okay, suppose we have a requirement. Now every time we are not posting 500. Right? Every time we are not posting 500, we are posting 600. So I want to change this sample to, change it to rupees 600. Yeah. So we can change the sample also. Every time I don't want to go a post without amount, na. Rather than that, I can change the sample itself. Okay, note down. To change the sample, you can change also. To change the sample, the T code is FBM2. Note down. To change the sample, it is FBM. To change the sample, it is FBM2. To change the sample, it is FBM.
So these things we manually using the transaction code we do, but in a big companies, everything is done through program, right? Since the system integration, like RFC calls.
Yeah, so this right now we are understanding the process. Going forward, we will get into automations. Yes.
Okay. It will be same transaction, but it will be triggered through automation. You mean?
Exactly, correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So to change the sample, the T code is FBM. So you go to FBM2 / FBM2. You go. So which sample I want to change? The miscellaneous, I want to change the 1001. Okay, press enter. So how much is there right now? 500. So every time I use this sample, it will take me to 500 only. No? Okay, so what I want to do, I want to make it 600 permanently. Okay, so what I do, I'll double click on this. Then I will make it 600. Okay, debit side I made, na? Credit side also I have to. Here also credit side also I will make it 6. Is that clear? So now I made changes now. So debit side 600, credit side also 600. Save it. So what is there in my sample now?
600.
How much amount is there?
600.
600. So then like this you can update also.
The samples we have to go with amount numbers only, or without an amount we can save it samples.
No, something you have to give. Otherwise your accounting at least 1 rupee also you should.
Okay.
Blank you cannot. System will not. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now. So now you see what will happen. So if I go to FBR2, I will give the sample number. No, 1001. Yeah. What do you think? How much it will take? 500 or 600?
600.
600.
Now I can change like this also. No. Got it? Like this. From now onwards, it will be
600.
100.
So I don't have to tick every time. Do not propose amount. No? Right? So like that, I can make the changes in the sample itself. Okay. Good. And then number of samples. No? So now suppose now FBM2 is. Here we have a document list is there, you see, document list. So if you click on this and give the document list number like 1001 to whatever, no, 1500, give the fiscal year, it will tell you what all the samples you have, no, it will show you. Correct? How many samples I have? 2 samples. 1001, 1000. What is there in 1001?
Miscellaneous
600. What is there in 1002?
traveling expenses.
Yeah, travel 1000. Clear everybody? So all the samples you can see. If you forgot, you can come and see. You can give reference also for your identity. Okay, you can say this is miscellaneous, this is traveling, like. Okay. Good. Any questions here? Templates and samples, you are okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
So
Okay. So that is about to change the sample also, we have an option. Next. Now third one, what is the third one? Third one is the recurring document. Recurring. Okay. So this is for the, this recurring document is for the periodic entries. You know, periodic means what?
Regular intervals.
Periodic means, yeah, monthly, period wise. Okay. Yeah. Regular intervals. Yep. See now you have provided, na, you have provided to the user, na, you told him to post entries, you have templates option is there. You have samples option is there, na? You have couple of options. But he says, I'm actually more busy during month end. He says, I'm actually more busy during month end. Why an end user is more busy during month end, guys?
Because
Huh?
Book
Why is he
closing.
he
busy?
has been controlled to post the data in
What's
the
the account
particular time period.
administration?
Huh?
To close the books.
During month end, there are some other entries, no?
Yes, provision
What
and
entries are there?
provision
Salary
and-
payments are there. Monthly entries, no? Salaries we pay daily or monthly?
monthly.
Okay. What are the month end entries we have?
Provisional entry.
Yeah. What is a provision, guys? What is a provision, guys?
It is a transaction used
Provision means not our provisional store, no? Not that provision. What we post as a provision. What is a provision?
which surely occurs, but not yet received by us. That means
It's
like housekeeping
accumulation of
expenses we have to pay every month.
funds.
But not yet received.
Okay. Any other?
It's accumulation of funds for the future expense.
Rent.
It is a accumulation of funds for
Future expense, which is going to
future
be very
expected expenditure. Correct. Right? It could be either. Correct. See something. This is, see what we are doing is we are setting aside some money every month, same amount to meet a future expected expenditure. Correct. See, suppose we do in our daily life, na? Right? We do in our daily life. Suppose one family is there. Now the children's school fees has to be paid. Na? Suppose our school fees is 1,20,000 rupees. Now suddenly in that month 1,20,000 means they cannot get. Na? So what they will do every month? What they do?
10,000.
10,000
10,000.
rupees they set aside. Correct. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 they set aside. Same amount every month. Yeah. So by the time the fees time comes, they will have 1,20,000 ready. They pay the fees. No? That is nothing but provision. So the 10,000 we are not spending today. We are setting aside for a future expected expenditure. Is it clear? Same way companies, what they do, they set aside funds. They set aside funds for a future big expenditure. See, I have a client. That client, what they do is, it's an infrastructure company. So they have big machineries, massive machineries. Okay, they have oil exploration, they do. So their machineries every 6 months they have to change the one important part, very expensive part. It will run for 6 months. After that it will get worn out. So after 6 months they have to replace that part, very expensive part. So what they do, they will set aside money for 1 month. Every month they set aside some money for 6 months. After 6 months money is ready, time for replacement will come, they replace. You understand the point? That is what they do. So every month provision entries will come, same entry. So like this family, what they are doing, 10,000 set aside every month. Na? Same way companies will set aside some money every month, same amount. That is what we call it as a provisioning. Okay. Yeah. So now, okay, what are the other entries, monthly entries? What are the other monthly entries? Rent is rents. No? We pay rents. No?
Salary payments.
Salary payments, rental payments, provision entries. What else? Installments payments, insurance premiums,
Depreciation entries.
Utility
Depreciation entries.
depreciation postings. Correct.
utility.
Prepaid expenses matching.
Matching. Yeah. Correct. So all these are the monthly entries. No? Monthly they will.
ERSS.
Correct. No? So now user says, is there any option in SAP to post to help me on month-end entries? So now rental payments I have about 1,000 change rental entries I have to post. So I post that entry only once in a month. I don't pay rent every day, right?
Yes.
Every day you provided template. Every day you provided samples, daily entries. But what about monthly entries? Correct now. So I have, he says, any option is there in SAP where we can post periodic entries, monthly. Correct. So I have to post 1,500 rental entries, 10,000 wages entries, 5,000 provisionings. This is keeping me busy during month end. No? So is there any option in SAP to post periodic entries? Correct. That option is nothing but recurring. Recurring means, as the name says, recurring means repetitive. Okay, periodic. Okay. Yeah. So recurring documents can we use daily? Can we use recurring documents? Can we use daily? No, only
Periodically.
monthly, periodic. Is that clear? Okay. So
Yes.
now the recurring documents can be created. Note down that. Recurring documents can be created and used to post periodic entries. Okay, this is same like sample only. Same. So first we need to define number range. We need to define number range for recurring documents. Okay, same concept. So what is the number range? Same again. We go to X1 and then we will give some series. That is the T code is OBS 7 only. Same T code, but X1 document type. Right? Document type is X1. Here I will give like this 2001 to some suppose I want to post 1500 recurring. So I'll create 3500, some number. Okay, I will give a number range. Same like samples, we create a number. Okay, next. Then to create a recurring document, the T code is FBD1. Okay. So we will create the recurring documents. So to post, we will create a batch session. To create a batch session to post recurring entries. The T code is F.14. Okay, note down this. It's the topic similar to, this topic will be similar to samples. But here we don't post daily, we post periodic.
F14, sir.
F.14.
F.14.
F.14. Okay. So what I want you to do, guys, is I want you to complete the samples first, because this recurring document is similar to samples only. You will get confused, no? Number range and all. It will be same like samples only. That's why I want you to complete the samples first. So if you complete the samples, then it will make it easier for you to understand the recurring. Understand? If I do both of them now, you will get confused. So first, let's get over with the samples part. If you complete this, on the same lines, you will have the recurring also. Okay, so complete this samples part. Then practically, recurring part I will do tomorrow. Okay, no confusion. To avoid confusion, better first complete the samples, then we will do recurring. Now don't come to class without practicing. No? Try to complete samples so that it is easier for you to understand the recurring. Same way, you don't get confused also. You are done with samples. No? Is it clear, everybody? So recurring I will take up tomorrow, guys. Okay. So tomorrow what you need to do, complete samples and templates and come to class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.